We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2009 Suzuki GSX-R 750 in black. We have dual disc braking in the front. This thing stops on a dime. We have frame sliders on both sides. We have a belt guard on the tank. And a battery tender, so you can charge your battery, you can plug in gear, cell phone charger, anything that has that adapter. We also have a stock exhaust, so this bike is completely California legal. Bike is chain driven, and that gold chain is just beautiful. They took good care of it. There's that other engine slider on this side. And miles on this bike are really low. We're at 3,727. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.